Disappear for a moment. Start looking for yourself. Seek yourself. Disappear for a moment. When something is scarce, our brain kick into high gear, and that suddenly that product or you are as person becomes more valuable in people's eyes. You are very valuable. Your time are very precious. You work on yourself. You don't waste your time by talking too much or using your time badly, using your time for only for distraction, only for playing. But if you use your time to work on yourself, work hard on you, because you are the greatest investment in your life. You can work on yourself to be more valuable, have more skills to give to people, to sell to people. And if you return to people, you give your time to people, and you are more valuable, people will find you more interesting. They will love being with you, because so few time you will have, it will be precious time, because now you have more value. You talk less but talk too much. You talk too less, you talk less, but their words are very charged, are very powerful, and if you let them, they will continue talk to you. They will find you more attractive, more interesting, and can help you be more powerful, because they don't know you. They have few moments with you in their life. You appear a little every day or every week. They see you a little in their life, because they don't know you. You are silent, you are powerful. They can't predict you. And if you live like that, you live your life entirely. Your life are interesting, because you love being alone. You don't have a problem. You are an eagle, and this thing enhance your appeal and make you more powerful. And when you are with people, they will find you interesting and attractive.